Hey, what's going on, guys? It's 4K coming back at you with another video. I've been wanting to talk to you guys about this for maybe about a week or so. It's about Dodge and this rumored six-cylinder that's going to be replacing the V8s, whether it's a twin turbo straight six, a V6. I mean, it's all rumors at this point. It's all speculation. But a lot of times where there's smoke, there's fire. And as we've seen, with the government and how they've been putting the squeeze, putting the clamp down on the ICE engines, on the internal combustion engines, and really trying to get them out of the way for alternative hybrids and electric cars, making it harder and harder for manufacturers to produce these high horsepower big V8 cars, and essentially just kind of killing them all off. The plan is obviously by 2035. We'll see how that goes, but Dodge has already come out and said, hey, we're getting rid of the Hellcats by 2023. I feel like the way that everything's going, I mean, there's no other route but to kill off the V8s. Now, we don't know what the time frame is going to be, but I feel like a twin turbo straight six makes sense. I mean, I feel like that's something that does make sense for Dodge. I know a lot of people might be panicking or saying, hey, I love the sound of these big V8s and whatnot. I mean, it's just we're in changing times right now. I mean, as you can see behind me, I got the Tesla behind me. I mean, I've been driving this car now for about 3 months. It's been unreal. Instant torque, instant power. Technology is fantastic. And once we get the charging down to a point where we can get in and out just as fast as it would be to top off fuel, I mean, I think that there's really no competition at this point. I mean, this car behind me, I mean, will easily deal with scat packs and especially off the line. It give a Hellcat a run for its money. So I mean, we're just at a point now where electric cars are faster, they're more powerful, and I think Dodge obviously knows this. This is the reason why they're unveiling that electric car in 2024. Very exciting time, but I know for some it could be sad. Losing the V8s, the visceral sound, the whole experience. It's an experience. The cars have a lot of character with the big V8s, but it is coming to an end. So they will be collector cars, obviously, but I do feel like where there's smoke, there's fire. I think there's some truth to this. I think that it would be nice to see a straight six twin turbo with 500 horsepower. But I do think it's funny. There's a lot of guys out there that hate on the V6s and they say, oh, the V6s are slow, the V6s are junk. Now, what about now when you can only get an SRT that's either electric or a straight six twin turbo with 500 horsepower? I think that, that everything comes full circle. It's kind of crazy there, but I do think, hey, it's cool. We got to be open-minded. The future's here, technology is here, it's moving fast, and the cars are just coming along with it. But let me know what you guys think in the comment box. Are you guys upset about the V8s being gone? Are you guys excited about the electric Dodge coming? What do you guys think about this V6? Is it something that you're going to be interested in? Drop down in the comment box. Let me know, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.